Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to search IT jobs in Singapore. Tips for searching jobs in Singapore for foreigners. I created this video especially for foreigners who are searching jobs in Singapore. First thing, we need to know where we can get the legitimate job vacancy details in Singapore. There is a site, the Singapore government site, My Career Future Government.sg. This site we can get the list of available jobs details and company details, but we cannot apply the jobs from this site. At least we can get the what are the companies currently having the open positions. So those kind of information we can get it from this site. So we can go to this URL. In this URL, suppose if I want to search a jobs for Linux administrator, Linux system administrator, then click on this search. We can see these are the companies currently hiring for the Linux system administrator. For example, I am choosing this company. These are the job details, but we cannot apply these jobs from this site. This is only for Singaporean and citizens can only access this site. At least we can get the company details where we have currently open position, and this is the 100% legitimate site. So we can see this company having the following open positions. From this, we came to know this company currently hiring for the system administrator role. So in Singapore, initially each and every company will post the jobs vacancy in this site. If this jobs is not getting filled by within 30 days, then only they will start posting in their career page as well as the LinkedIn, then Monster Singapore, then other sites. So from this site, at least we came to know what are the vacancies are available on each company in Singapore. The next step, once we got the jobs details and company details, then we can go to the company career page. For example, so this is the company. So I can go to this site. We can see these are the JD details, and you can see the point of contact, everything they given. Also we can check it in the LinkedIn, and this is the LinkedIn job vacancy details. So we can get it all the information from here. So once we check the company details from the career page, also we can check in the LinkedIn. Once we found the job details are matching with the same details which is mentioned in this same careersfuture.gov.sg site, we can contact directly to the hiring team via WhatsApp or phone call or email. Also we can apply the suitable open positions from this job portal. Tips to get jobs in Singapore, especially the foreigners who are searching jobs in Singapore, they need to have at least immediate joiner or 30 days to 45 days notice period, and this is the first preference to get the jobs in Singapore. Next, ask your friends who already work in Singapore, ask for the referrals. Also, you can approach directly to the hiring team via email or WhatsApp or phone call. Keep on search jobs through LinkedIn or Foundit, the Monster Singapore. Now the name is called Foundit.sg. Also keep updated resume and valid passport in handy. These are the tips which I followed to get the jobs in Singapore. So you can follow this same. Below is the best sites to search jobs in Singapore, especially for foreigners. The first site is I would prefer always LinkedIn. The second site is the Foundit.sg. The third one is the JobStreet Singapore. The fourth one is the Glassdoor Singapore. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Share your feedback on comment section. Subscribe my channel.